Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. Make sure you stay till the end where I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. Today we have an excellent episode. We're making Appies with Chappy by the lake. This lake here, Lake Okanagan. So I'm going to do some cheeseburger sliders. First up, we're going to make a drink to go with our appetizer. We're just going to do a quick Espresso Martini. So I've already chilled my martini glass. And I'm just going to put the ice in my martini shaker. And then I got some nice Van Gogh Espresso vodka. We'll go 2 ounces of that. And this is my secret ingredient to the best espresso martini. You're supposed to use a ½ ounce of simple syrup, but I'm substituting it for Demerara syrup. You get a nice, deep, rich flavor, and that's going to add the sweetness, and it's going to taste just like a Starbucks iced coffee. And then, of course, we're going to finish it off with about an ounce of room temperature espresso that I freshly brewed today. Okay, give that a shake. I'm going to strain that into my chilled martini glass. And I believe I have some coffee beans to float on top as a garnish. Just do 3 coffee beans. There we go. And that's an espresso martini to go with my cheeseburger sliders, coming right up on Appies with Chappy by the lake. Check it out.
Appies with Chappy by the lake.
welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I got my hot air fryer cheeseburger sliders. I used some nice King's Hawaiian buns, and of course we need a drink to go with our appetizer. So I made a lime Ricky. I'm going to put the ingredients up on the screen now. So a lime Ricky consists of 1 1/2 ounces of gin, 1 1/2 ounces of Rose's lime juice, and 4 ounces of club soda. And according to my bartender's guide by John K. Waters, it says pour the gin and lime juice into a highball glass nearly filled with ice, stir gently, add club soda, garnish with a twist of lime. And that's my lime Ricky. Thanks for joining me on Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way.